Hey team, it's Dania with PureLifeOrganics.com, your athletic therapist and strength coach to help you move and feel your best. And today I'm going to take you through a super tool drill that we often tap into with clients who are dealing with back pain, stress, or anxiety. So make your way down to the floor and join me as I walk you through this drill. We're going to begin lying on our backs with your knees bent and your feet flat. From here, we're going to use our hands for feedback. So I'm going to place my hands either on my stomach, resting just like so, or if you have the shoulder mobility, wrap your fingers so your fingers are on top and your thumb is just wrapped around your back. Throughout this drill, we're going to work on 360 breathing. What that means is we're trying to breathe in through our stomach, our sides, and our low back. Then we finally finish with our chest. Most often when we breathe or we feel stress or anxiety, we do short, shallow breathing up through our chest and into our neck muscles. And we want to really turn on 360 breathing down using our diaphragm and feel these areas expand with air. So have your fingertips there for feedback, and the drill will be this. You're going to inhale through your nose for 5 seconds, hold for 2, exhale through your mouth for 5, and what I want you to feel is your hands expand as you breathe. Your sides and low back can be a little bit tricky to do, but over time, I promise, it does get better. Okay, so let's go through this. So breathe in for 5 seconds in through your nose. Hold for 2. Exhale for 5. What you want to feel over time is your hands expand forwards, out to the side, and into your low back, especially if you have any back spasm or pain going on. I usually recommend my clients go through this for 2 minutes. You can just do it nice and slow at first. Start with 5 inhales, start with 10. It's something that should help you feel calm and relaxed after this. And as always, team, we want to know and hear from you. So if you like this video, let us know, but please let us know down below what you'd like to see next. Hope this helps.